How to list your house for Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Now log into your Airbnb account. Further, tap on the switch to hosting option on top of your screen and then tap on the listings option, and then go ahead and tap on the plus symbol on right side of your screen and tap on the create a new listing option. Now go ahead and tap on the get started button in order to begin the listing process. Now go ahead and provide property details. You will need to enter your property type. Specify whether it's an apartment, house, or a unique space. Next, enter your privacy type. Indicate if guests will have the entire place, a private room, or a shared room. Also, enter your property's address and list any available amenities such as Wi-Fi, kitchen, parking, etc. Now go ahead and upload high-quality images showcasing your space. You can also write a compelling description highlighting unique features and nearby attractions. Further, set your booking preferences, if any, such as house rules. Define rules for guests to follow during their stay. You can also set your availability. Set your calendar to reflect when your property is available and when it is not. Also, determine your nightly rate and additional fees, example cleaning fees, laundry, etc. Finally, review and publish. Review all the information you have provided, and once satisfied, tap on the publish button to make your listing live. So, this is how you can list your house for Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. See you